Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Let's take a look at Earn Solana, a smooth, easy-to-use faucet. Sign in with your Faucet Pay email. Your dashboard is at the top where you have your Shortlinks in Faucet. Earn Solana has plenty of coins to choose from. I'm going to select Solana. Now solve the CAPTCHA in the middle of the screen. That's it. After a couple claims, check your Faucet Pay account. You can switch coins to claim while the faucet timer runs out. As you can see, your coins have instantly arrived in your wallet. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.